In this video, we'll show you how to program your remote with your vehicle. This video was made specifically for the vehicles shown in the description. Even though your remote and vehicle may look different, the steps you follow are exactly the same. Remember, you must have at least one existing working remote to begin. Don't forget to read the video description for more important information, including step-by-step written instructions. To begin the pairing process, have the driver's door closed and the window open. Turn key in the ignition to on. Turn a second key in the door to lock. Push the unlock button on the door once for each remote to be programmed. Turn the ignition to off. Remove keys from the door and the ignition. Do not open the door. On remote number 1, press unlock then lock. On remote number 2, press unlock then lock. Do not open the door for at least 60 seconds. Exit the vehicle and test the remotes. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe, then hit the bell icon to be notified of new videos. If you need replacement keys for your vehicle, be sure to check us out online.